Installing an attached pad carpet takes less time and is easier than installing woven back carpet because you don't have to attach the pads separately and there's no stretching. Some tools you will need to install attached pad carpet include a tape measure, double-sided carpet tape, and a carpet knife. You may need a broom, a crowbar, and a vacuum if you need to remove old carpet. First, measure your room. When planning carpet measurements, make sure to add a few extra inches on each side. Next, prepare the floor surface for installation. Make sure to remove any tack strips, carpet pad, nails, or staples sticking out of the floor. Sweep and vacuum the area so the floor is free of debris. Start by placing double-sided carpet tape around the perimeter of the room. Next, place 12 by 12 inch crosses of tape, spaced out in 4-foot intervals along the middle of the room. Leave the protective covering on the top side of the tape. Next, bring the carpet into the room and position it either in the center of the room or against a wall with a few extra inches of excess carpet along the other walls. Once the carpet is positioned, pull half of the carpet back over itself, peel the protective covering off the tape, and replace the carpet, smoothing it out from the center of the room towards the walls. Then, do the same steps for the other half. Once the carpet is placed and smoothed out on the tape, you can trim the excess. Use the carpet knife to crease the carpet tightly into the corner of the wall, trimming the carpet flush with the wall. To finish, walk along the perimeter of the room to fasten the carpet to the carpet tape. You're all set! Reinstall your molding and enjoy your new carpet.